Hello students, this is a short video to show you around MyMathLab, which is the software we will be using for both homework and for exams. So you want to sign in and set up an account if you don't have one already. Let me sign in here. If you have multiple courses that are using a MyLab, you'll see them all show up here. Our course is Math 104X. And when you come into the homepage, you will see the assignments that we have listed. Down here under assignments, I have 2 assignments for you to get started on. The first is our Chapter 1 homework. It's due on August 31st at 10 p.m. And then there's a supplemental review homework for algebra. We'll have time to go over that, some of those concepts in class. I don't assign a lot of homework. This Chapter 1 homework only has 25 problems, and I think the algebra review also only has 25 problems, and you have about 2 weeks to complete those. Some students want to get additional practice, and so I set up these optional homeworks for you to work on if you want to get more practice. Let me go into one of these. I'm going to go into my view just to show you what one of the homeworks look like. So if I'm in my Chapter 1 homework, and I'm looking at, let's say, problem number 16. I know that this problem is from section 1.3 of the textbook because it has 1.3 and it's number 63 in the text. So if I want to do other problems that are similar to that, I can go to the textbook and look for problems around that area, or I can go to the section 1.3 optional homework and I can do some of the problems that are close to the number of 63. You do have the option to look at the e-text. I'm back at the main screen here. There is a copy that you can see online here. It's broken up by all of the sections, and you can just click on this and it'll open up the textbook. Also, when you're doing a homework problem, it also gives you the option, if you want, to open up the textbook from that problem if you want assistance looking up where that is in the textbook so you can do a little bit of reading about it. Let me go back into one of the homeworks for just a second. I forgot to show you that when you're in a homework problem, up in the right-hand corner, I've turned on the learning aids. If you are stuck on a problem, you can click here on the question help, and you can go through a help me solve, which will walk you through step by step. It'll give you a view an example, bring up a short video if one exists, take you to the textbook, or here's an option that is ask my instructor. This will send an email to me, and it will show me exactly which problem you're working on, and then it will also show me if you have answered the question at all and gotten it wrong. Sometimes I can look at the answer and I can see where your thinking might have been a little bit off, and I can send you a hint or send you some guidance to help get you back on the right track. If you have questions, you can always send me an email or send me a message through Canvas, and I look forward to seeing you in class.